Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe. So, today we are going to do maths algebraic expressions. So, this is part 3 of that video. I hope you all have seen part 1 and part 2 of this topic. And if you have not seen that, so you can click on I button or you can even check the description below. So, what did we discuss in part 1? We discussed in part 1 that what is basically variables, what is a constant, and what is an algebraic expression. And in part 2, we saw that what is the algebraic terms, what are the factors of algebraic terms, and what are the coefficient of the algebraic terms. So, in this video, I will try to cover the topic operations on algebraic expressions. So, let us begin with the video. So firstly, let's start with the addition. Okay, so as we know that all the numbers can be added which form another number. We have seen that if I add 4 with 2, so I will get 6, 6 with 5, then I will get 11. So like that, these are the how we add the things. So similarly, like the numbers, algebraic terms, they can also be added. But the thing is that the variables should be same. I'm giving you some statements and I'll see that how if we convert it into a algebraic expression, so what we will get. The sum of variable x and a constant 8. So I can see over here that the sum we know that sum means if I am adding anything with anything, like if I add 5 with 4, so I'm getting 9. So 9 is the sum of these both number, that is 5 and 4. So similarly, if over here the variable is given x, so that means that x is added with the constant, that is 8. So we just have to write x plus 8. Similarly, next is n increased by 3. So that means that n is a variable which is increased. Increased means plus. Increased यानी कोई भी चीज add हो रही है. That thing has been added more. And n plus 3. So I have to write 3. So the algebraic expression for this will be x plus 8, and similarly for n increased by 3 will be n plus 3. Now if I am adding any two algebraic terms with the same variable, so then and only that numerical coefficients, that thing is only added. Now for example, if the question is 9x plus 3x, now the thing which you have to make sure is that in the both the variables, right, I can see that this x is similar. That means that whenever any algebraic terms, both of the algebraic terms, I am adding two algebraic terms over here. So the both of the algebraic terms should have the same variable. So you can see that there are same variables over here, that is x, and this is also x. So now I can add the numerical coefficients. We have learned in the last video that what is a numerical coefficient. So over here in the both of the terms, this is one numerical coefficient of x, 9x, and for 3x the numerical coefficient is 3. So now I have to make sure that I have to add this 9 with 3, and you know that 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, and over here I am having the same variable, that is x. So I just have to place one x over here. So this means that my answer for this question is 12x, and I am able to add this because the algebraic terms, both the algebraic terms are having the same variable. Now similarly, if I give you some other example, z plus 5z. So again you can see that in the both of the variables, this z and this z, these are the two algebraic terms, that is z is one first algebraic term and 5z is the second algebraic term. So in the both of the terms I can see that there is one z which is similar. So now I can add these things. We know that if any algebraic term which does not have any numerical value or any constant, so we assume it as 1. So for this over here, this is 1 is a numerical coefficient of that, and over here 5 is a numerical coefficient which can be added. So if I add this, I will get 6 as the answer. Now this 6 is there only, and over here the similar thing is z. So I just have to add one z over here. So the answer for this question is 6z. Z plus 5z is equal to 6z, and in the previous 9x plus 3x is equal to 12x. So I hope that this thing is being clear. 9b plus 3a plus 4b. So in this there are three algebraic terms by which this is same and this is same, like variables are same. So now I can just group whenever there are options, like you are getting 3 or 4, so like that you can just group them, right? So if I group them over here, 9b is same with the same variable and 4b is the same variable, and now this 3a is not a same because the variable is a. So I am just adding, I am keeping it, grouping it, and I will keep it this as a 3a. So my answer will be 13b for this, because if I add 9 with 4, I will get 13 as the answer. So my answer will be 13b plus 3a. 3a that will be grouped alone only. So you will get 13b plus 3a as the answer. So this is my answer, 13b plus 3a. Now for example, question is 2a plus 7 plus 4. So I can see that this is 2a which is there, right? So I can write over here 2a. But 7 and 4, these algebraic terms are not having any variable, but they are same because they are having only numerical coefficient. So that means that thing will be added 7 plus 4, and they are grouped different. So that means that my answer to this question will be 2a plus 11. So I hope that you are cleared with the topic, that is operation addition. Now let's do subtraction. If the statement is 9 is subtracted from a, so what will be the algebraic expression? So as you know that 9 is subtracted. 9 is subtracted from a. That means a is already there. और a में से 9 subtract हो रहा है. That means that a subtracted by 9 will come, because already a is over there. But now this 9 is subtracted from that a. तो यानी a subtracted by 9 will be my answer. Similarly, y is subtracted from 14. So as I said you before also, y is subtracted from 14. So if the number, if the statement says from 14, so that means that 14 is already there, and in this 14 this y is subtracted. So same way this is also 14 subtracted by y. So the answer for this question will be 14 subtracted by y, and answer for this question will be a subtracted by 9. Now if I say 6z subtracted by 2z. So again, as you can see in this z is similar in both the terms. So I can subtract it now. So I subtract 6 with 2, for which I will get 4. And over here z is there. So I am just going to write z. So my answer for this question will be 4z. 6z subtracted by 2z is equal to 4z. Now if I have to solve this, minus 7a subtracted by minus 2a. So I can see that in the both of the terms, minus 7a and minus 2a, this a is same. So that means now I have to perform minus 7a minus 2a. So we know that if there are two signs of minus and minus, so we have to add that particular thing, right? So I will get, if I add, I will get 9 as the answer, and in the bigger number over here, that is 7, it is having the minus sign. So I just have to keep minus sign over here. So I hope that this things is clear to you. Now if I say to write the predecessor of a, so we know that predecessor means the number which is before that particular number. So if I say write the predecessor of 2, so we will write 1. If I say of 15, so we will write 14. So similarly in the algebraic terms also we can do the predecessor. So if I want to do the predecessor, I know that I have to subtract that particular thing with 1. So if I know that if 15 is a number, so I will subtract it with 1, and if I subtracted it with 1, then I will get the answer 14. So same way in this, over here the unknown value, that is a, I have to just subtract that particular A with the 1. This would be my answer. So I hope that subtraction is also clear to everyone. So I hope that the topic is clear to you, and please don't forget to comment me in the comment section. And if you like if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. I will keep making more and more videos about every topics, about every subjects. Even you can suggest me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much.